So we did take a few trades. The Bitcoin trade. The Bitcoin trade is pretty straightforward, right? Like the main trend is here. You know, when it gained way back here, when it gained 96 back here, the move that came from 89, the lowest point in this upper range. They did leave a gap here, and they tested that gap on this dump here, and they pumped it and gained again on the 4-hour. So, and when they gained, they left another gap. So right now this inside trend is in play. And honestly, if they gain this, we're probably going to gain this. Like we're probably going to new highs. So like this is just kind of where we're at right now. At the least, as long as they're holding this, the next thing is going to be up here above 102. The main idea was off the 4-hour idea, right? Like our stop on the 4 is on the 4-hour, right? So I'm just, if we do drop below this level, I'll average in a bit more and stop same place. We took trades here, but because we took trades here, but because this is a funded that was part of the evaluation period, I had to close my trades. So I'm just getting into new trades again now. All right, so same kind of idea, right? The main trend here, and then the inside trend that gained here. Didn't have a super good gain, but did gain nonetheless. And then this is just kind of the area for them to hold it, right? Like this is the area. Like you want them to hold this order block to continue higher. So targets, if they do start pumping here, targets are going to be above this and then above this. They did have a gain here on the 15. That's why we entered. So they did gain. This is the gain, new low, and then gained above right on the next few candles. You know, three bullish candles in a row, leaving a gap. So we took trades in the gap. Pretty straightforward. GC1, we did take some gold longs too. So this one was pretty straightforward too. Main trend is here, still holding. They held it here, gained. They didn't make new highs, but they're still holding lows. So as long as they hold this, if they hold this, we're good to go. Like it's good for new highs, and this is probably going to like three grand around. The reason we entered was they gained here, right? New low, and then gained. You see the action right here, right? The action here. They left gaps as they gain this. So on the retest is where we entered. Very simple, not very complicated at all. My trading is not very complicated, man. It's very, very, very simple. It's not very complicated.